and you will you need to provide some username password to log into the site locally. So this is the menu admin. Then user is the standard username or by default username. And you can set it as per your requirement. But I will recommend for the local login always try this username password for local site. So some of the basic steps what you can perform with the BTS site manager locally. If suppose you want to update the site software with according to your requirement, or someone has suggested you to just upgrade the software from one release to another release, so you can perform this software update locally. So there is an option I told you on the front view of the BTS site manager. There is an option coming in the menu, that is your software. That go to that software option. Just click on that. The one option will pop up, the update software. So this is the window will come up. Select browse, and you can select the software you want to update on the site, and you can do it. We have already seen that getting the BTS commissioning file, how to save the BTS commissioning file, and before going to any critical or outage related activity, I would always recommend to just save your BTS commissioning file and process it.